you might see here is the driver will do a sort of point check as he goes through every point. He'll put his finger up against the sheet on his right to check that he's running to time. Immaculately dressed, of course. It's Yonosuke. Cute little stuff. Oh, is he going to do a little check? Yeah, oh, I missed it. Just did his check. Oh, he's doing another check. That's the check against it. What's that called when they do that check, Tommy? They're just doing it again. What do you call it in Japanese when people use their fingers to do a check? Huh? What's it mean literally?
Pointing finger for me.
Japanese would never leave their keys at home because they'll do a proper check before they leave.